Starting your day with a gentle wake-up can set a positive tone for the hours ahead. Instead of relying on loud alarms, consider using a natural light alarm clock. These devices simulate a sunrise, gradually increasing light intensity to gently rouse you from sleep. This method aligns with your body's natural circadian rhythms, promoting a more peaceful transition from rest to wakefulness. Another option is to incorporate soothing sounds into your morning routine. Nature sounds, such as birds chirping or ocean waves, can create a calming atmosphere that eases you into the day. If you prefer a more tactile approach, try a gentle stretching routine in bed. This can help awaken your muscles and increase blood flow, preparing your body for the day ahead. By choosing a gentle wake-up method, you can start your day feeling refreshed and centered, ready to embrace whatever comes your way. Once you're awake, it's important to hydrate your body. Instead of reaching for coffee immediately, consider starting your day with herbal-infused water. This not only hydrates, but also provides a gentle boost of nutrients. Herbal infusions can be made by adding fresh herbs like mint, basil, or rosemary to a pitcher of water. These herbs not only add flavor, but also offer various health benefits. Mint, for example, can aid digestion and invigorate your senses, while basil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Rosemary, on the other hand, can improve concentration and memory. To prepare your herbal-infused water, simply add a handful of your chosen herbs to water and let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. In the morning, you'll have a refreshing, flavorful drink that supports your well-being. By choosing herbal-infused hydration, you can nourish your body naturally, setting a healthy foundation for the day. Incorporating mindful movement into your morning routine can enhance both your physical and mental well-being. Activities such as yoga, tai chi, or simple stretching exercises can help you connect with your body and mind. These practices encourage you to focus on your breath and movements, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Yoga, for instance, combines physical postures with breathing techniques, fostering flexibility and balance. Tai chi, often described as meditation in motion, involves slow, deliberate movements that improve coordination and mental clarity. Even a brief stretching session can increase circulation and release tension in your muscles. To make the most of mindful movement, find a quiet space where you can concentrate without distractions. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes engaging in your chosen activity, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the experience. By incorporating mindful movement into your morning routine, you can cultivate a sense of calm and focus, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day.